Is your Kia Sportage failing to start when you press the push-to-start button? Nearly 80% of push-to-start no-start complaints are caused by a simple, dead key fob battery. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get you back on the road. Before assuming the worst, ensure you are firmly pressing the brake and that the shifter is fully seated in park. Watch for these signs like a not detected warning, which clearly point toward the fob itself. If the fob is definitely working, your car battery or a faulty brake light switch could be the culprit. Try holding the fob directly against the start button first, as this often bridges a weak signal. Notice that a fob battery is a $5 fix compared to much higher costs for electrical components. Always disconnect your negative battery terminal before performing any electrical testing to stay safe. Keep a small flathead tool and a spare CR2032 battery in your glove box for emergencies. Remember that the simplest solution is usually the right one, so start with that battery. Check the links below for more Kia troubleshooting tips and subscribe for your weekly fix.